It appears that someone grabbed the carpet out of their living room, threw it on their boat. She needs a lot of help. Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This boat is officially known as the River Goddess. She needs a lot of help. This boat is getting a brand new outboard engine, a Suzuki 25 horse. We are gonna reuse some of the components. We'll have to get some rub rail in here, some new corner caps, new bimini top. We're gonna clean everything up. We walk around, it's gonna get a new helm. We're keeping some of the seating in here. This is mainly a floor job, but we're gonna see if we can't spruce it up along the way. Just try to do this boat on a budget. It sits in the water year round, so the vinyl floor is gonna be awesome for it. But leaves fall on it, it's not covered. It's just a river cruising boat. Inside, it appears that someone grabbed the carpet out of their living room, threw it on their boat. I get it, it's fine, but it's not the best. So we're gonna replace that with a woven vinyl in gray, which will match the seats. Let's climb up and just take a peek at the seats, what we're starting with. A couple of them are in okay shape. We'll clean them up the best we can with some products from pontoonstuff.com, the 303 marine cleaner. But we're gonna get rid of a couple seats, keep the nicest ones, rearrange it a little bit. But again, the big thing you're gonna see change is the console to the standard console, as well as the floor to a vinyl floor, and obviously the new engine. We are here delivering the Grand Goddess or River Goddess. This boat, we happen to have a nice used set of railings that came in on another project. So we put those on, gave them a front deck space, reused the good couches that they had. So we have a nice L seat in back, kept the captain's chair. We've got the front, it's just nice wide open. There is a swim ladder that mounts on the floor out the side door. Fuel tank is in here. Brand spanking new 25 horse Suzuki. Batteries under the seat. We have some LEDs underneath the seats. That new control box from Suzuki. We do have horn, nav lights, stocking lights, a little voltage gauge. Tells you when your battery's nice and charged. Put the Destroyer steering wheel on there. It is ready to go.